Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this video, I will guide you on how to log in Outlook account. So if you also want to log in Outlook account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So Microsoft Outlook is an email and calendar application. It helps users manage their email, contacts, tasks and calendars. So if you also want to log in your Outlook account, it is actually very simple. For that, first of all, what you have to do is launch up an Outlook application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. Once the Outlook application is open, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find two options over here. Add account, create new account. If you do not have an account, simply tap on the option create new account. After that, you'll be able to create new account for yourself. But if you want to log into your account, what you have to do is tap on the option add account that you can see right over here on your screen. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here, you'll be able to log into your account. Over here, what you have to do is enter your email, or you can also add the Google account if you want. In order to log in, simply enter your email over here. Now after entering the email, what you have to do is tap on the continue option that you can see on the screen. You'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here, what you have to do is enter your password. If you have forgotten your password, tap on the option forget password. After that, you'll be able to reset it. But if you remember your password, go ahead and enter your password over here. Now after entering the password, what you have to do is tap on the sign in option that you can see on the screen. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be logged in to your account. So that is how you log in Outlook account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.